Hello guys, how are you? So in today's video I am gonna list you guys the top 5 hentai animes which you can ever watch according to the scores and rating given on IMDb and my anime list. So let's start with this. On the 5th number, the hentai name is Iroge H Mo Game Mo Kaihatsu Zanmai. I don't know what does that mean, but the main character in this hentai, Tomoya, is a guy that lives on his own with only a day job at a convenience store keeping him afloat. While he really likes Ergo but can't draw, isn't much of a writer or composer, and doesn't even know anything about business. Still, his dream is to get a job at studio in a hopes of creating what he loves. Tomoya's luck takes a turn for better when he sees a help wanted ad for a local studio flower, and after meeting with a company president who to his surprise looks like the elementary school kid, manages to get a job as the administrator of the company's website. Tomoya's glee at being the part of the industries is short-lived. The story thus focuses on Tomoya's role as a pseudo-consultant while getting to know the four heroines of the story as the player is given an interesting look at the world of hero's development. The reviews of this anime is pretty good and I think it will be really good, so that's why I'm keeping this at the 5th number. According to, of course, it's not my ratings, it's the ratings given on my anime list. The rating for this anime is 7.58. The studio of this animation is Collaboration Works. On the 4th number, the hentai name is Aneva Yanmama Ju. Studio of this animation is T-Rex, aired on spring 2020. The rating is 7.60. A little bit about plot is this story is about a married woman, as is in usual stories of sexual unsatisfied in married life, and decides to make up a lost time with her brother, who came to stay with her husband and children. What started as a harmless joke on a drunken bench will grow into a constant frenzied sex always and everywhere at any convenient opportunity. So I think this is what most of the people are looking for. Most of the people have given 9 and 10 rating for this hentai, and this must be really good. And as you are watching this video, you must be a man of culture, so of course you will like this, and I am 100% sure you will enjoy it. On the 3rd number, the hentai name is Rans O1 Hikariwo Motomete, the animation. It was released in fall 2014 and the animation studio is called as 7. I don't know, I never heard of it. The rating for this is 7.65, just a little bit more than the last one. The basic plot of this hentai is barbaric warrior Rance loves nothing more than a company of beautiful moments. Traveling around the continents with his faithful slave Silplane, Rance takes on jobs for a chance to appease his insatiable libido, although his perverted instincts often land him in hot water. People from the far and wide nevertheless laud his in heroic feats. While undertaking a request to locate a missing noble girl, Rance and Sil arrive in a majestic kingdom of lizards. They split up to investigate several leads. Rance finds himself heading towards townfalls with various problems, from rescuing a kidnapped barmaid to purging a undead outbreak. Amassing both fortune and females, the warrior eventually uncovers a dark secret within the kingdom that only he can stand against. And of course, you might know what happens after then when he finds out that dark secret of that kingdom. And yeah, this was a little bit more rated than the last one, so I have kept it on the 3rd number. On the 2nd number, the Sentai name is Man Kiss to Happening. It is rated for 7.74. It was aired in winter 2015. The studio is Collaboration Works. I mean, Collaboration Works is almost everywhere in the top hentai list. The plot of this hentai is Keiichi Oyamada has a mysterious power that always makes him seem like a lucky pervert, as one way or another he ends up having sexual intercourses with any female he meets. Due to this, he had never had a stable job as he continuously gets fired from any place unfortunate enough to employ him. One job opportunity arises when his best friend calls him to work at a manga cafe, which Keiichi accepts. However, as soon as he starts his new job, he meets Rei Suzukawa, a fellow employee, and Kururu Hiragi, his childhood friend. Both of them are very beautiful, and Keiichi fears that even they might not be spared with his lucky perverted powers. So I think this is what most of the people are looking for. So I will 100% recommend this. So before moving towards the number 1 hentai in this list, I would ask you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I keep bringing daily content, anime content, top 10, top 5 listings, anime news and all sorts of different anime content on daily basis. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and yeah, let's move towards the number 1. The number 1 in this list has the name of Masterpiece the Animation. Of course it must be Masterpiece because its name is Masterpiece, lol. The rating for this hentai is 7.80 and it was aired in spring 2019. In this story we have our main character as Yuji Inomoto. After his parents passed away many years ago, he was adopted into a family of childhood friends Yuna and Nina and their mother Mira. Now in high school and known as Yuji, he lives under the same roof as a pair of cute twins and a beautiful older woman. Although the shy and reserved Yuna, talented Nina are his family because they raised him eventually. But at one point in this hentai, Yuji submits to his desires after witnessing Yuna turn down a confession. And everyone knows what happens next, and I think this is the story, cliche story, but this is what most of the people look for. And there are like 3,500 reviews. That means it must be really good. So you can watch it, of course. And yeah, that was the top 5 listings of hentai according to the ranks from my anime list. So yeah, that was it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, watch more other videos which I have on my channel, and comment down below what is your favorite hentai from this top 5 listings. And yeah, that was it, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.